Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number P361V16. This is a roll of vinyl door bottom sweep, they call it. This is a roll of vinyl material that is used as a seal on the bottom of traditionally an overhead door. Is really what it is. This is exactly what it looks like when it comes. You will get two packages of what are, in essence, just simply roofing nails, although they are steel-based and corrosion-resistant, probably some sort of zinc coating on them. A roofing nail will have a very large surface area for the head, so you would obviously need that. And it's just simply stapled together. I'm going to carefully pull that. I mean, it's literally stapled. Let's pull it apart as best we can, okay, without damaging it. Okay. And here's your profile. So you can see from the image below this video what it's supposed to look like when it's installed. It's going to look something like that. Obviously, this crowned area will be underneath, and your nails will come from the bottom, and your seal will just hang down hopefully some natural way like that. That's it. Black, certainly vinyl. It smells like above ground pool liner. If you've ever built an above ground pool, it is certainly vinyl. Seals gaps up to 1 3/8. So should your door not quite make it all the way down, or you have an instance where the sill over 16 feet will not be consistent. You might have areas where this will be asked to fold over much more than in other areas. So this is handy because there's not a lot of compression really required to bring that down, and certainly an overhead operator would make easy work of that. But in those other areas, let's say it just bellied down in the center, you'd still have some real good coverage there. There is a link below this video to a document called Printable Cut Sheet. And that is really nothing other than the exploded cross-sectional drawing, 1 inch wide on the crown here, 1.5 inches coming down. Now, let's take a look and see if we have a link to the installation instructions. Oh, there's a link below this video to the installation instructions, and they are basically included as the packaging, but they're there for you to review before, during, after purchase, etc. Page 2 really shows the installation of the material. Looks like there is every bit of 40 nails here. So you've got every 6 inch for sure. You'll be in good shape with the nails, that sort of thing. 6 times 40 divided by 12 inches. Yeah, you've got, every 6 inch you've got plenty to have a few nails left over. So that page 2 really talks about how you're going to apply it down in the center of the door. Good for one-piece garage doors, which I don't see very often anymore. Sectional garage doors, of course, very common. And installation instructions call out nails for every 4 inch. Okay, that's great. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Should be a very simple, straightforward sort of project. I've installed this material before, and I've installed it onto old wood overhead doors. Sectional overhead doors that were a few decades old. I came to a point where I was pre-drilling the holes because these large roofing nails in this dried out wood where you are putting it into, while it's not end grain, it kind of runs, your nail would run parallel to the grain structure of the wood. There were a couple of times I felt very concerned that I was going to split the wood out, so I literally just took a 3/32 of an inch drill bit and pre-drilled my hole so that my nailing into the bottom, I ran no risk of splitting the door, which is not something you can repair, is the bottom line. So I was cautious with pre-drilling the holes. on the couple of times that I've installed the material or I thought it was necessary. So the name Pemko is synonymous with all things weather stripping. Not only something fairly uncommon like overhead door material, but everything as it pertains to residential applications, whether it's thresholds, perimeter gasketing, door sweeps, but then of course everything in the commercial realm as well. Material made of aluminum, base material, stainless steel, architectural bronze, inserts of every possible kind, like obviously vinyl, neoprene, synthetic, other synthetics like silicone, some proprietary material that they get into as well. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line Pemko catalog and just dive headfirst into Pemko's offering, which is the broadest spectrum of weather stripping products available. If there's something that you need that's not in there, don't lose hope. Pemko can probably manufacture it for you and modify or join or alter stock pieces to suit. Send us a sketch. We'd be happy to work on that for you. If you have any questions on the Pemko P361V, 1 inch wide, 1.5 inch tall, vinyl overhead door weather stripping, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.